Hi friends, today we are going to learn what is transposition, transposition rules and their examples. Now let's start with first point. What is transposition? Here we have an equation. In this equation, this is equality sign and this is the left part of equality sign, so it is called left hand side or LHS. This is right part of equality sign, so it is called right hand side or RHS. Now in this equation LHS is x plus 4, since x plus 4 is on the left side of equality sign. RHS is 3, since 3 is on the right side of equality sign. Variable is x. In this equation x is a variable and number is 4 and 3. 4 and 3 are the number in this equation. Now we understood the basic of the equation. Let's define transposition. Transposition is moving a variable or a number from one side of equality to other side. An important thing to note here is that when we move a variable or a number from one side to other side, its sign will get changed. Now let's see it with example. Suppose we have an equation x plus 2 is equal to 3. Now when we move, this is the equal to sign, this is the left side and this is the right side. When we move plus 2 from left side to the right side, it is called transposition. And when we do transposition, sign of a number or variable will get changed. Now let's do this. This x will be as it is, this equal to will be as it is, this 3 will be as it is. Now we are transposing or moving plus 2 from left to right, so its sign will become minus 2. Here answer of x will become 1. Okay, so this is called a transposition. Now let's see some theory part. As we already discussed, every algebraic equation has two sides. Left hand side, that is LHS, right hand side, that is RHS. Second point is the definition of transposition, that is moving a variable or a number from one side of equality to other side is called transposition. This also we have seen means when we move a number or a variable from one side of equality to other side, it is called transposition. And third most important point is sign of a variable or number is changed during transposition. Means when we do transposition, that is moving a variable or number from one side to another side, its sign will get changed. That we have seen in one example. Now let's see our second point, that is transposition rules. These are the very simple rules that we need to remember when we perform transposition. The first rule is when we move a plus sign from one side to another side, it will become minus. Second rule is that when we move minus sign from one side to another side, it becomes plus. Third rule is that when we move multiplication sign from left side to right side, it becomes division. And fourth rule is that when we move division from left side to right side, it becomes multiplication. So these are the very four simple rules. Just remember, plus is changed to minus and minus is changed to plus, and multiplication is changed to division and division is changed to multiplication. Now let's see examples. Let's see example of first rule, that is when we move plus sign from left hand side to the right hand side, it will become minus. That means when we move plus from one side to another side, it will become minus. Find value of x. Here we want to find the value of x. Now let's take an example. X plus 2 is equal to 3. Now we want to find a value of x. How we are going to do it? Simply, here we are going to move plus 2 from one side to another side. So here we are doing transposition. So when we do transposition, the sign of a number will get changed. So here we will write x as it is, this equal to sign as it is, this 3 as it is, and when we move plus 2 from one side to another side, it will become minus 2. So answer will become, x value will become 1. So here we have transposed or transpositioned plus 2 from one side to another side. Similarly, let's check another example of rule 2. Now here we are going to move minus sign from one side to another side. When we move minus from one side to another side, it will become plus. So here also we have to find the value of x. Find value of x, and our equation is x minus 2 is equal to 3. Now here we want to move minus 2 from one side to another side, so it will become plus. X will be as it is, equal to sign as it is, 3 as it is, and when now we are moving minus 2 from left side to right side, it will become plus 2. So x is equal to 5. So this is how when we move minus from left hand side to right hand side, it becomes plus. Here we have seen their example. Now let's see example of third rule. That is, when we move multiplication from one side to another side, it becomes division. Now here we want to find value of x. So the example is very simple. 3x is equal to 6. Now here we want to find the value of x. Now just remember one thing. Here 3x means we can write it as, I will show you here. We can write it as 3.x or 3 into x. Its meaning is same. 3x or 3.x or 3 into x. All three has same meaning. So here for simplification purpose, I will write 3 into x is equal to 6. Now I told you, when we move multiplication from left side to right side, it becomes division. So we are moving 3 from left side to right side, it will become a division. So how we can write this? X will be as it is, equal to as it is, 6 as it is, and this 3 will go down here in denominator. This upper side is called numerator, down side is called denominator. So the 3 from here will go into denominator, that is division. And further if we solve this, our answer will become x is equal to 2. Okay. Now let's see fourth rule. Fourth rule is division is equal to multiplication. Means when we move division from left side to the right side, it becomes multiplication. It is very easy. Here let's take an example. Find value of x. Here we want to find the value of x, and our example is x by 4 is equal to 3. Now see this, here we have a division here, and when we move division from left side to the right side, it becomes multiplication. So note one point, in division we want to move only the denominator part from one side to another side, not numerator part. Numerator part, that is x, will be as it is, this equal to sign as it is, this 3 as it is. Now we are moving 4 from one side to another side, so it will become multiplication 4. So our answer will become x is equal to 12. So this is the simple equation. So these are the simple 4 transposition rules. Just let's revise once again. When we move plus from left to the right, it becomes minus. Second rule is that when we move minus from one side to another side, it becomes plus. Third rule is that when we move multiplication from left side to the right side, it becomes division. And fourth rule is that when we move division from one side to the other side, it becomes multiplication. I hope you have understood the transposition rules and their examples.